Hello guys in YouTube land. Back at you with some more wiring. Hope you're not bored of this. I think most of you know the routine. Steady and slow. Only mess with it about 30 or 40 minutes today. But if I can, I'll show you how it looks right now, and then I have a couple of questions. See if I can get some answers about. That's what my ignition bundle and my turn signal flashers bundle looks like now that it's all put onto the column and finished. And if you can see in here, everything looks nice and neat until you get to this area, which is all unfinished yet. But I do have my horn relay wired in. And my flasher relays are all wired in. I just have to mount them to the firewall. I guess the main question I had was any advice about the way I have it there, my main looms. I'm not sure that that's a good idea. Is there a wire maybe that's more common to maybe melt down on you and ruin the rest of my harness if that were to happen? And be best if it was separated, or am I okay with them nice and neat where no one will ever see them anyway, but all zip tied together? I didn't get to the switch today. I had too much going on. Tomorrow's more physical therapy, which usually puts me in bed for a couple of days usually. But if anyone has any thoughts about how I'm doing as far as leaving them where they're at, I'm thinking about taking some pieces of rubber hose and putting it around the wires where they rub anything. I know you would think they wouldn't be moving very much, but over time they could be rubbing a sharp edge of a bracket. So I'm going to put some type of rubber hose around those spots. And I haven't studied it enough yet to know how I'm going to do a brake switch, and I'm not sure exactly how. I can't tell how a backup light works, how it tells when you're in reverse. Seems simple, but I haven't figured it out yet. I'm learning. It's all been good. I don't regret the more of it that I do that I'm doing it, because then I'll know my own truck. I think that's the key to all this. So okay, thanks for putting up with boring me, and thanks for the encouragement and advice. Catch you on the next one. Bye.